So over here, you can see that I have a remote session ongoing right here. If I want to actually go ahead and use it full screen, so right now it's in windowed mode, as you can see. If I want to go ahead and go for full screen, you can go ahead and click on enter full screen right here. Once you do that, you can see that this is what you have. You can even go ahead and collapse the toolbar, and you got this little toolbar right here. And now you can simply start using the computer as if you're using your own desktop computer right here, just like this. So if I were to go around over here onto the top, you can simply drag this toolbar wherever you want, and then you can even go ahead and then click on minimize to go ahead and minimize the connection as you want right here. But let me just go around over here just like this, and then go around over here, back out. You can see from the taskbar, and then this is what you have. So you can expand this and see every other detail right here just like this as well. So this is how you can go ahead and then enter out the full screen mode. And if you were to click on exit full screen mode button right here, this is simply what you have. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.